How to change your friend emojis on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually change your friend emojis on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, typing in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. If you want to change your friend emojis on Snapchat or the emojis which appear next to people's name, it's very simple. All you have to do is to simply tap on this little profile icon or the Bitmoji avatar on the top left corner of the screen. Once you select the Bitmoji avatar, tap on the gear icon, which is basically the settings icon from the top right corner again. Once you go to the settings page, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options. And if you want to change the emojis, you simply have to look for the option called Customize Emojis over here. It is going to be above the Adds button and under the Pixel button. So just go ahead and select Customize Emojis. And here are a list of emojis which you can change. For example, if you want to change the snap streak emoji, you can tap on it and you can select any of the ones. If you want to change the friend emoji, it depends on besties or BFs or mutual besties or mutual BFs. It also depends on what kind of friend emoji you want to really change. You can just go ahead and select any of it as well. And this is how you can change emojis. And if you played with it too much, you want to reset it to default, then well, that is also fairly simple. All you have to do is tap on this little reset to default button which you see at the bottom of the screen. When you select reset to default, it is going to reset all of the emojis back to its default settings. And this is how you can change your friend emojis on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.